Diligence is the mother of good luck, and failures are the pillars of success. So, life and learning English are both journeys filled with difficulties, mistakes, and self doubt. So, if you are one of them who wants to quit, then my suggestion is just wait, hold on, wait for a second. Whether you are facing in real life challenges or in English speaking, but the fact is you have to keep going. The key is to keep going. So speak daily, learn slowly, and grow slowly. Work hard silently. The success makes noise. You will fail in your life. You will make mistakes while you will try to speak in English. People will judge you. You will feel embarrassed. So it doesn't mean that you are very weak. It means that you are learning something. Always remember one thing is that success never comes overnight. Success always takes time. Growth never happens in comfort zone. You have to hard work as well as smart work in your life. This video is like a motivational video. You can take it as usually. Every mistake you make in your life is a proof that you are learning, you are trying, practicing to speak in English. In your life, when you will learn, when you will face any difficulties, some days you will feel confident and some of days you will feel self-doubt. Means you will doubt yourself. So overall life is tough, keep going, English is difficult, keep learning. The day will be near soon when you will learn that English is not difficult, it is very easy. Because quitting stops progress and continuing builds power. So always be motivated, never feel under the weather. Actually the ball is always in your court. Always take risk in your life. If you will win, you will be the master. If you will lose, you will become a pioneer or you can guide others. Promise yourself that you will never quit. You will never give up. Progress is not loud, growth is not instant. Sometimes winning simply means that not giving up. So take a deep breath, slow down if you must, and rest if needed. Because the version of you that's coming next will thank you for holding on. Every strong person you admire once stood exactly where you are now. The only difference, they didn't quit. Success doesn't come from talent alone. It comes from showing up one more time when you feel empty. That is why I am saying you that never quit, never give up, don't quit. If you are thinking about that, then please ignore this and keep going in your life. So if you find out this video at least a little bit helpful, then please do subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video in which topic you want me to make a video next time, and share this video. Till then, thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Bye bye.